Alright, market's about to open right now. I gotta log into my, fuck off. At this point, we're just looking for 5-minute continuations. Put your body in my jeans. It'd be nice if we could have taken a slope. I mean, like, bro, at this point, this shit looks like ass. I mean, it's obvious that we're gonna go higher, but I mean, it seems obvious, at least to me, to go higher. Alright, so we hit this 5-minute. I'm not gonna, like, freak out about that, but fuck you. There we go. Yeah, I mean, like, this is just not even, it doesn't even matter at this point. Like, for us to get a fucking setup, this shit's probably gonna be inversed. But if we can sweep internal low even, that'd be nice. Let's go with this 15-minute right here. Ideally, we can just fucking wick down. I want us to just, like, soup the fuck out of this low. I don't think I wanna, yeah, there, oh, equal lows. Yeah, we can't really, we gotta wait for that to get taken. There we go. So we got this 2-minute. Bro, I fucking hate this shitty ass thing, bro. It fucking deletes, like, candles and shit. I read that out. Like, what the fuck? Why is it still? Fucking dumbass. So let's check the 15-minute. Honestly, bro, it might even be better. So we're definitely gonna make like a 5-minute gap here. It might even be cleanest if we take this hourly internal low and then go higher. London wasn't sponsored technically. So there is that. So yeah, we're for sure making this 5. I low-key can't even take the 4 anyway. So what we could do is just, you know, make this 5-minute, generate some liquidity. Boom, we see a resweep of this low, tapping into this hourly internal low, tapping into the hourly gap, taking out the internal low. We have liquidity, we have unmitigated. I mean, dude, then that would be A plus in my eyes, personally. So boom, I'd rip long TP1 1-to-1 F whatever, and then TP2 up there. But we'll see what it wants to do, obviously. But this is also going to be a condition at the same time. Like, if we don't hit this and we end up creating, like, a setup to the downside, because we are, I mean, London session isn't necessarily sponsored, but there is an SMT. I don't know. It's kind of like a weird thing. My stomach is fucked up. Because I'm already knowing we're going to probably get like a 30-second or some bull fuck like that. Alright, so this is looking good. We can't leave these equal lows though. Alright. I don't know. We're getting really close to London. We may even need to take that. But honestly, if we get this inversion, I'm taking that shit long. So we may need London. Wow. Wow. I mean, how far is this away from London? I mean, either way, there's no entry for shorts for me. I mean, but this looks great for longs, the generation of LR. I don't know if this necessarily matters, but so I'm looking for For risk to reward purposes, this 2-minute would be nice to have. Potentially. I threw my alert here on ES, but I don't think that even matters. So it looks like we're gonna make this 2-minute. Unless we can pump up a little bit, but alright, so we made a 2-minute. Yeah, so it's big enough to worry about. Alright. So ideally, Liam versus 2. What am I seeing right now? Potentially godly longs. That's what I'm seeing right now. But it's like looking really weird right now. So we just took London low. We just took that low. We just... I mean, bro. I mean, at this point, we're gonna open this 5-minute. Alright, so literally all I can say is this 5-minute will be the condition. It honestly has to be, because of the fact that dude, fuck you. Oh my god. Alright, so honestly, bro, like, I'm not trusting a 1-minute right here. I'm trusting, like, I want this 5-minute, ideally. Ideally, that would be the best option for me. And, like, yeah, I think that'd be the best. So, just because of conditions-wise, I don't even know if we even want to go higher at this point. So, that's why we'll set this as a condition. But we do have S&T at London long. So, I just rather see us, I'd rather not take like a 2-minute or whatever right down here, because it's just like very unclear to me. At this point, dude, that was gonna be a great setup right there. Whatever time frame this was gonna be a fat fucking, like, I was gonna put a lot of pred, like my normal size, but yeah, I was ready for that. I mean, we're rejecting a 15-minute here. It's not like that really matters, I don't think, but res price action, some dog shit. Bro, it's like 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes, like, it felt like a fucking hour, bro. It's not even been 30 minutes of our market open. I feel like a bad shit for fucking ever. So essentially we have to inverse this 5 minute all the way up here on this candle for us to be bullish. If not, well, let me delete this. If not, then we're gonna draw to this 4 hour. And I have to flip bearish. Like that's like the only draw at this point. Like actually though. So sell side liquidity. I mean, how far have we moved? So we're chilling. We can still catch moves. So yeah, we're just solely looking at this hourly right here. Yeah, I mean, if this hourly inverses, then we're looking to be bearish here. And I will be. We have this S&T. Right here. So here we still have so much shit. So I don't actually give a fuck about any of this shit. I think we can be bearish, and then after that we can look for potential MAC opportunities, but this is like just such a dump. 10 a.m. did open low, so that's nice for the power of 3 if we want to see us come into this 4 hour and take out that SMT. If we get the 5 minute, I'll take the 5 to the 5. That I'll do. I'll take the 5 to the 5. I think I do want to be de-risked still. But yeah, I'll take this 5 to the 5 for sure. Yeah. I'm not opposed. And this shit's just straight generation of liquidity. Ideally, like this high would be our alert if we do want to start moving higher. But I do want to go light risk on this. So, we could rip 2 micros or so. Because I don't know how I feel. Because we may need that internal low. I don't know, we'll rip 3. Fuck it. I think if this 5 minute inverses, it should fucking pump us to this 15. Well, it's gonna be a 15. so 151 ticks. Yeah, we can rip 3. Ideally, so all I can say is I hope we don't fucking. Oh my goodness, this is fucked. Dude, whose fucking Ring doorbell's not shutting the fuck up? All I hear is a fucking Ring doorbell. Alright, so 3 minutes, we'll just wait. Again, if it doesn't work, ideally I'd hope we hit the 5 minute, like it says 15, but we'd hit that before. Reject it lower to take out internal low. Then move on mitigate 15 minutes to touch. You know? And then we rip longs. But yeah. But I'm not bearish. But yeah, like I said though, we may need to take this internal low before going higher. Oh, this looks actually money. I can't even lie. Hold on the 1 minute, this looks fucking money. I mean, we didn't break structure yet or anything, but I mean, inversion, obviously it's not the highest time frame. I mean, we just made this an OB. We're coming into a fair value gap. We definitely came in hit equilibrium. So I don't know. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, we got a minute. I have a minute to enter until we can enter. I'm just getting ready for my contracts here. Alright, 20 seconds. Alright, so I'm in there. Stop the low. Seven, six. I'm getting ready to move my stop loss to break even. For 1.75. $82.2. Alright. Alright. So I think that's where I want to go break even at on ES. Not sure. NQ, we should be coming up to that high soon. So 15 minutes my break even point. Kind of edging the fuck out of it. Alright, so I'm break even here. So we are risk free. Now we just let the contracts run. 33.75. So, in all honesty, I think this high would be my high to want to like only close at a 1-to-1. But yeah, I think we need to fucking just pump though. Alright, so let's see. So yeah, just let it do its thing. So we're like 20 points away. Alright. So ideally, this 1 minute, we gotta fucking pump off of. Because if we inverse this, we're probably gonna break even. And we broke even. So, break even trade. Not much I could have done there, to be fair. I mean, I didn't want to have this tight of a stop. That seemed way too tight for me. Especially with the S&T at the low. I wanted to utilize that, and that we would have been over a 1-to-1. Whatever. But this is my setup for the day. We can still catch continuations out of here. But I don't think I want it today. I think I want to be done. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Why the fuck did I lose 70 fucking dollars? Hold on. I have that in recording. Fuck, I wish I had it on... Wait, does it have the price limits? For my... Okay, sell... Wait, no. Buy... What was it? Sell stop? And I entered at... Why did it... But she was at break even. Why did it fill 10 points? That's some bullshit. I don't even know if I can hit them up about that. How do I... What do I do? Why did it execute that fucking low? I don't even know what to say, bro, genuinely. How the fuck do I... Okay, sell. Why, though? I had my fucking limit. Nah. I had my limit at break even. Not all the way down here. Because, like, alright, where's my entry? Let's throw this on. 4175. I had it at break even because I remember... That's some bullshit. And then 91... 931. What was it? 931? Yeah, no, I know I had that shit at break even because that is way too far. Why is it filling me at fucking... I'm gonna like lose my fucking mind, bro. This is so unnecessary. How do I gotta hit up my fun and futures, bro. That like I don't know if I, cause like that's like fucked up. I shouldn't have lost anything today. I shouldn't have lost shit today. I should have just lost fees. Filled orders. Why the fuck was it 10 points lower? I know it was not 10 points lower because why would I fucking put it 10 points lower? And I visually had to, when you put, here, let's say, let's go on paper, right? Paper, boom, we want to go long, whatever it is. Or short, because like that's probably the one that's fucking actually gonna move. So if we get, boom, throw stop loss, right here, and you do this, this will cover. See, it's gonna cover it. So then, what do you do? Well, obviously this is different, but basically, like, it's gonna look like this. So then you have to like click on that. It's fucking retarded. So I know I did not fucking um. I just got filled like fucked. I don't know what the fuck to do about that. Actually, though, what the fuck do I do? I don't know. I gotta get this over with. Basically, fuck, bro, it's fucking annoying. Coming in the morning out of bullish buys, fucking, this is so annoying. Basically, I want to see price open lower, take out this 15-minute internal low and get a long up. We just continue to displace lower. I saw this hourly gap with the hourly internal low. Then I want to see longs off of that, which actually was looking to be the best opportunity. As you can see, like where these equal lows are, that's basically where that swing low is. And if we inverse this gap, that would have been money because there's a 5-minute right here, low resistance liquidity. I mean, dude. So then that didn't happen. I just let it sell off because nothing was like looking clean. We ended up making an unfilled 15-minute gap right here, and so then my bad. Then we ended up coming down, taking out this sell side and this 4-hour gap and rejecting higher, throwing in an SMT. We had an unfilled 15-minute and 5-minute gap right here, and we inversed the 5-minute gap. So I entered off that inversion, stop at that SMT low, and basically, are we fucking serious right now? This is insane chop. If we have 5-minute back, rejecting the 5-minute in versus 5-minute long, that shit, I guess, but it's probably just gonna chop the rest of the day. Fuck. So what I was saying was, boom, SMT inside high time frame P to Ray, highest time frame inversion within the leg, break even at the 15-minute, TP at a 1-to-1, and TP2 at unfilled 15. And basically what happened was, once we moved stop loss to break even, I didn't decide. The fucking bullshit, I don't know, copy trader. It's not even the copy trader. I don't know if the volume just came in and fucked it so hard. But and I'd have to go back and watch to see if that would have been why. But I got filled. Where did I get filled? 90 or 31. That's where I got filled for my stop loss when it was all the way up here. So yeah, pretty fucking annoying, like very annoying. I kind of want to take this 5. Is that retarded of me? Oh wait, low key I do want to take this 5. Hold on. So I already gave you like everything that went into that. So we want to throw this here, and what was my entry and risk? Yeah, no, this looks great, genuinely. So if we're able to inverse this, let's take this off though. So I'll like risk 3 micros probably. I don't know. Oh yeah. Hold on. If we take this high, I'm just fucking shooting myself. I'm kidding. Oh, I'm actually so fucking pissed off, dude. You don't even understand. I should have just been broke even, and I should be in bed right now, going to sleep. But hopefully, this is actually what delivers us higher. Um, DS. Yeah, so we got break even at like a fucking 30 minute. Are we dead ass right now? Honestly, I think the draw is just so obvious higher on ES. I don't even know if this internal high matters much, to be fair. So I might just fade the fuck out of that and just let this shit rip. Dude, if we hold this, we'd be fucking fucked. Okay, we've got 20 seconds. That'd be insane if we hold this. This is like literally retarded. 10, 9. I like this personally. I don't know. Are we within chop though? I don't think so.
Order filled.
Alright. So and then wow, I got the perfect entry. 75.75. Alright, so I'm just going for it's 1-to-1. So ugh, pump, bro. Alright, well, stops at break even. Because realistically, we should just pump. We're getting this close. We should just pump. There should be no reason for us to come back down here. So stop is at break even now. Let's see if we can even see that. You can see the numbers, right? Stops at break even. We'll just let this guy ride. If we take this high, I'm probably just gonna close. I don't know. Nah, I'll just let this shit ride. Like it should. Bruh. Ain't no fucking way. I'd actually lose my shit if we break even. No, I'd lose my shit if we fucking, make me lose $70 each account again. That was bullshit. That was some bullshit. So, we need to pump like 15 points, ideally. Or we can pump 15 points on ES, which would equal to like 50 points on NQ, just to help out the, because you never know. But yeah, this is my second trade today. I'm risk-free. So pump. Alright. So I don't know why it's taking so long to pump, but it is. So ideally we just rip through these highs. Just fucking, but we're taking a long time here. I'm not sure why. So we'll see. Bruh. Are we dead right now? Are we dead? Are we dead right now? Are we dead right now? Man, are we dead right now? Are we dead right now? Like dead though? Like, are we dead? Like dead? Are we dead? Alright, so we're getting close to that TP point. Very close. And there we go, TP. Beautiful. So, just made back that loss of which shouldn't have been a loss. And yeah, so that's beautiful. Alright, so I already went into this trade. This trade is just the obvious continuation, the most obvious one you can probably get. 5-minute rejection, very, very strong 5-minute rejection, with a 5-minute inversion. And what was insane is I got my exact fill, is where I just randomly set the thing. So I threw stop at the low, because ideally we should not come back down here. And then I put my take profit all the way at a 1-to-1.